Hi, thank you for clicking on this video and happy to have you once again. If today is the first time here we do easy cooking recipes, please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. Thank you so much. So we are preparing fried plantains with grilled chicken. I have my plantains here. They are not very ripe and it is not hard as well. So I have my chicken drums here. I'm just going to clean or wash it very well behind camera. So I will be using lemon juice and salt. Okay, so I'm just going to do that behind camera and I'll get back to you. Welcome back. This is how it looks. So I have cleaned it very well. That yellowish thing you see there, I removed it. Okay, but because sometimes when you remove it you can still see the stain there, I will then go ahead and use my paper towel to make the chicken dry. Okay, yes, so that is what I'm going to do. And as you can see on the screen, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Please do not forget to share to others, leave me comments please, and that is also free. I will then add my chili powder, add my homemade ginger powder. I have the recipe here, please you can check it out. Okay, I will add my garlic, parsley, and then add some oil. Make sure I smear everything on the chicken very well. Okay, thank you very much. Now I'm going to add my homemade natural herbs and spice blend. At this moment you can add any natural herbs and spice of your choice. So I have added the one that I want, and I added some chicken seasoning as well. I allowed this to marinate for 2 hours and now it is in my air fryer. I'll go ahead and air fry this very well, then I will get back to you. Use the settings according to the type of air fryer you have. I have the plantain here and we are just going to work on the plantain as well. So please make sure you wash the plantain, okay, because when you are peeling the skin you may touch the plantain, as you can see on the screen. I've tagged it, so be very sure you wash it very well. Okay, you can cut it into any size that you want, but this is what we are going for. And you can add salt to your plantains, but I'm not going to add any salt to the plantains. Whilst we are doing this, our oil is on fire. Okay, so that by the time we will be done with this, the oil should also be ready. Now I'm done with everything and I'll go ahead and start frying my plantains. This was so delicious and perfect combination. I mean, it went very well with the chicken and the family really enjoyed it. Okay, but how they enjoyed it, I could see that it was nice. Now our plantain is ready. I will then go ahead and then remove it from the oil and I will serve you soon. Okay, yes, try this and you will love it. It is very simple, especially when you are tired. You can just put this together and you are good to go. Thank you once again. Now our food is ready and let me serve you. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, so delicious, so delicious. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you. Don't forget to do good, but love yourself first and take good care of yourself. Eat well. Okay, yes, see you in the next one. Bye bye.